Hello. So I have been thinking, which I already do a lot, what to do with this space. I already talk about books, my love for it, what's my perspective, my thoughts about any particular novel or any particular book after finishing it the first hand. And on the similar line, I have so many hobbies actually, and I'm not able to like give 100% of my time or attention or prioritize one thing or another. So it's going into bits and pieces in weeks or months like that. But running is something which I try to be consistent about because one hobby is like you can pick it up after weeks and it doesn't require much effort, but running is something if you lose track of for let's say 1 week, 2 week, it will reflect once you pick it up again. So running is, I would say, more consistent than any other hobbies because it demands it that way, that attention it craves. I would say the time commitment it requires. So most of the time, the extracurricular activities apart from work, where people question if money was not the factor, what you would be doing. So out of 9 or 10 things which I generally answer, running is one of them, and I have done a couple of races last year, this year, and I want to share my experiences, what went behind registering the event, what went during the event, post race thoughts and all. Because I feel I have learned a lot on social media. Personally, I know very few runners because of my, introvert nature or hesitation to reach out personally to people. But yeah, I mean, I have followed lots of athletes journey, their experiences, uh, and how they perfected their maybe form, their the techniques and all. But I don't want to put across that I have done anything great or achieved something or you know uh, I don't know. But yeah, I just want to share what my experiences are. I don't intend to like motivate anyone or inspire anyone because I think it comes naturally. You might not be inspired from the top tier athletes who might have like world records in their name, but you might be inspired by your guy or girl next door who would be doing his or her best. So you never know who you might inspire, who you get inspired from. So coming to the original thought of putting this video, I'll be starting a series of the races I have done and a little bit of experiences around those, and also I'll try to be consistent and with the videos, with the my racing experiences and all. It's more of not giving back to society or in general, but rather documenting my experiences because I think down the memory line, those experiences will get blurred. I think definitely it's a natural process. So I just want to document while it's still afresh. It's more of a, doing in my self-interest rather than giving it back. So yeah, I'll start a series or conversation and let's see, I complete it. One thing which I start, I complete it and keep it moving, keep it flowing, and see you in next one. Bye bye.